Open now Photoshop.
Open the photo.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say.
Click the text tool.
Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick
Typing
rocks,
the
I'ma
name.
stack bricks up, build what I want.
Subscribe now. Click the bell icon.
Got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty. I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care.
Select smart object.
You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe.
Edit click and select transform. Warp click. Transfer text your position.
Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Control plus click. Background layer select and layer mask click. Hide text layer. And click new layer. New layer, drag and slide background layer down. Click mask. And brush now. I'm never looking back cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all